Hi, I am Manjot from Lens Passion Photography. A few days back, I shoot a photo of Golden Temple in panorama. In that picture, I composite 3 images seamlessly. So I uploaded it to many social media. But when I tried to upload to Instagram, it was cut from the both sides. Normally, Instagram default size is 1048 into 1048 pixels. The image I want to upload on Instagram, it is more than 4800 pixels in width. So when I tried to upload this image to Instagram, its both sides were cut and did not fit in the frame. In this image, you can see both sides were cut, but don't need to worry. In Instagram, now you can upload multiple images at the same time. So you can use this feature to add multiple images of the same image to create a seamless picture. So you need to split panorama image to multiple images to make it single swipeable panorama. I have already added the template into description panel, so you can easily split any of your panorama image to upload on Instagram profile. Before watching this video, kindly click on subscribe button and click on the bell so you will be notified when I will upload new videos. Also support my channel by like and comment so I can keep uploading new videos every week. The best and valuable comment will be featured in my next video. I opened Photoshop and selecting image from Lightroom Photos that was already stored in cloud. You can open photos from Lightroom CC if you are using Adobe CC version. Otherwise, you can select from the local folder. I selected panorama picture. Now I am creating a new document with sRGB profile. Image size I selected 1080 into 1080 pixels. It is a default size of Instagram. So new document is opened. Now I am increasing its canvas size according to the panorama image. Select image menu and then select canvas size. I selected left middle anchor point to increase the size of right of canvas. I selected percent. I changed value to 400%. The canvas size increased to 100 to 400%. To add canvas, enter the amount of width and height to add. Measure width and height in pixels for online use or in inches for the print. Know more about how to resize the image? Watch my video on resizing. I have inserted card above. Now go to View menu and selecting New Guide Layout. After that, change the value of columns. I changed value to 4 because I need to upload image in 4 parts. If you want in 6 or 8, you can change the value according to it. It was default by 8 and I am changing it again to 4. I forget to change gutter value. Now I change it to 0. The document is divided in 4 equal parts. Using C key shortcut to active slice tool, you can also select it from crop tools. Slice first column by selecting first corner to last corner. Select second, then third and fourth with the same way. After that, use C shortcut key again and select the slice selection tool and click on the first slice and window will pop up. Give the name of first slice as a first image. I am giving name Instagram panel 01. In the same way, click the second, third and fourth column and give the name Instagram panel _02 to 04 respectively. Now open your panorama image, move it by move tool and place to new document. Transform the image by using Ctrl+T in Windows and Command+T in Mac. After transforming image according to the document, save document as web from file menu by using Alt+Shift plus Ctrl+ S in Windows and Options plus Shift plus Command plus S in Mac. Select as JPEG and save. When you save, it will show some options. Give the file name in first option. Second option is format and select image only. And in third option, set to default. In fourth option, select all user slices means the all we sliced by dividing 4 parts. I am creating new folder on desktop named Instagram and saved all 4 slices as 4 images. All 4 images are saved as slice name that I have added in slice tool option menu. Transfer all images to your mobile and add into gallery. Open Instagram and click on plus button to upload photos. Then click on multiple images tab. Select all 4 images 1 to 4 respectively. Now all images are uploaded in 1 to 4 order as we sliced in Photoshop. After completion of the uploading, you can swipe complete image without joint. Now you can upload any panorama image by splitting into 4 or many parts according to image size. That's all for today. I have inserted a link in description and you can upload template and save your time just placing your image. Thanks for watching.